Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art. This is the part 2 on how to smudge your picture without using Remini app. So on the last video I showed you guys how to use the smudge brush to smudge the hair. Okay, I showed you guys how to use the smudge brush to smudge the hair. So now what I'm going to do next is to go back to this reference right here. Okay, so on this layer, just click this layer right there, then click duplicate. So I'm going to keep this one at the top. Okay, then I'm going to close it. So now I will go back to this one right here, then I'm going to fill the opacity to 100. Okay, so once you're done, now you can use your hard eraser to erase this layer right here, this particular layer. Use your hard eraser to erase it like this. So when erasing, just be careful. You don't need to erase this one. Okay, you just need to erase the background. Just erase the background. So for a clear vision, just use this background. Just click on this background here, then take it down like this. Then you start to erase. Okay, so that you can see what you're erasing. So now guys, once you're done, this how it's gonna look like. Okay, so now this how it's gonna look like. Okay, so what you do next, okay, so that's what you do next is just to create a new layer. So this new layer right here, that's where we're going to add the color foundation. Okay, but this one is going to be different. So once you open the new layer, okay, make sure that this new layer right here is under this layer, this one. Okay, so let's say this one here is going to be above this layer right here. So once you open this new layer, then you're going to use this color. Just go to your copy color, then look for A33. Okay, so we are going to use A33. Then use your tool. You can use any tool you want, but for me I'm going to use my paint tamperd. So I'm just going to do this line like this. So once you have colored it like this, then you can use your hard airbrush, your hard eraser to erase. Use your hard eraser to erase like this. So now guys, once you're done, okay, so what you're going to do next on this layer right here, this layer, just click the layer, then you can click duplicate. So you can see that one is here, then one is above the other one. So now you have two layers. Okay, so once you have done that, then this one at the top, just click it, then you click blending, then you're going to click overlay. Okay, so once you click overlay, this is how it's going to look like. Once you click overlay, now you will go over to the other side, this one right here, then you just click it, then you click blending again, then you just scroll down, then look for color, then you click color. So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so once you are done with that part, now we are going to adjust the opacity. So just go over to this one, to the first one, overlay, just click it like this, then you just reduce it like this. Okay, so we're just going to take it, let's say to 30%. Okay, then this one over here, you can just reduce it, just take it to, let's say 50 to 50. Okay, so now once you are done with that side, so once you are done, okay, so once you are done with it, so guys, once you're done, then I will show you what to do next. You can go over here again, over this layer, just open new one. So once you open this new layer, you are going to add some color to the eyes. So I'm going to use E50. Okay, I'm going to use E50. Then you color the other eyes. Okay, now, so once you're done with that part, then we are going to start smudging. Okay, we use the brush to smudge the face. So you go back to this layer right here, then you're going to lock it. Okay, so once you lock this layer right here, then you're going to use the smudge brush to start smudging. So once you click your smudge brush, then you can take the flow, because you are going to smudge the face. You are going to take the flow to 5%. Okay, so just take it 5%, then you start smudging. So guys, once you are smudging, just follow the way the direction is on the face. We're going to do it like this. Okay, don't need to start doing it like this. It won't work, it will look bad. So you just follow the direction, okay? Just follow that direction, just like that. So now I'm going to smudge the nose side. So guys, you can smudge the necklace if you want, or if you want you can add it, but I'm going to smudge the necklace. I don't need it, so I'm just going to smudge it like that. So guys, when smudging, just make sure to smudge everywhere. Make sure to smudge every part of the face. Now I'm going to smudge the ear side. So now I'm going to smudge this side again. So once you are smudging, just make sure to smudge every part, okay? Just make sure to smudge every part of the body, of the artwork. Just smudge everywhere. Now I'm going to smudge the inner part of the nose. So So now once it comes to the mouth side, we are going to take the smudge brush. Just take the flow to 10%, then you start doing like this. Okay. Just follow those patterns. Just follow those patterns like that. Then once you are done, then you can smudge other parts of the mouth. You can just take the flow back to 5%. Then you can start smudging like this. Okay guys, so I'm almost done with it. Okay, I'm almost done. So now once you are done smudging your work, okay, once you are done smudging your work like this, just making some adjustments. So now guys, once you are done smudging your work, okay, now you just go back to this right here, because I have to save this picture right here. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'm going to open this right here. Okay, then I'm going to shrink it like this. Just click transform, then you can take it, let's say, to this size. Let me duplicate more pictures again, because I don't want any mistake. So once you just shrink it like this, then I'm going to keep it here, over here, like this. Just keep it here. Okay. So I'm going to keep it to this side, or I can take it here. So now once I drop it to that side, then I'm going to use the hard eraser to erase it like this. Okay, so you just use your hard eraser to erase like this. Now we are going to start adding some details on the face. So before we start doing that, we are going to create a new layer. Okay, so this new layer right here that we are going to create, just create a new layer. Okay, so this new layer right here is going to be above all these layers. Okay, but it won't be above this sketch layer and the hair. It's going to be under the sketch layer and the hair. Okay, so this way the layer is going to be. So once you create that new layer, then you can use the color picker to pick from the reference. Okay, just pick from the reference. Now we are going to use the flow airbrush. Okay, so we are going to use the flow airbrush to do some shadings. Okay, we are going to start with this side here. Then once I'm done with that part, then I'm going to add some here again. So I'm going to switch, like I'm going to be switching some brush. Like I'll use the flow brush, then use the harder brush. So now you can just switch. Okay, you can switch. Okay. So let's say if you are going to mix this color, like if you don't know how to save the color, just save it here. Okay, just put it here in case if you miss the color. So I'm going to be using the hard airbrush. So you can see, then you can also add it here again. Let me pick from this side. I'm going to pick color from this side. Then I'll add it here, just like that. Then I'm going to save it. Then save it like this. So you can see that there's two palettes here. So you can use this same color right here, this same color. Then you can add it under the nose like this. Okay, or if you want, you can still make it dark. Just take it down, then make it dark. So now once you are done like this, I'm going to use this color again. I'm going to pick from this color. You just use your color picker to pick from this color. Then you move over here, start adding this color like this. Okay, you don't need to add the other side, just leave it like that. Then use your smudge brush. So now we are going to set the flow to 5%. Then we're going to start smudging. I'm going to smudge like this. Okay, then we're going to smudge the other side. You don't need to smudge it that much. You just need to follow the pattern on the reference the way it is. Okay, we are still going to add some shadings right here. I'm going to use this color. Just use this color. Then we're going to add something here like this. Then we add another one here again. So once you're done, use your smudge brush to blend. Make sure that you are using flow. Just set the flow to 5%. So just use your smudge brush to blend. Okay, you can see. Now we're going to move over to this side, to the cheek side. Start to blend like this. Okay, then we're going to blend this side also. Then we're going to drag down here, just drag it down like this. Going to blend this side. Okay, so once you're done with that side, then we're going to move to this side here again. Then we're going to blend this side like this. I'm going to use this color to add here as a shadow, just to make here a little bit dark. Then use your hard eraser to erase like this. Make sure to add enough dark color like this. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Okay, so once you are done blending, you can see drag here like this. Just follow the pattern on the reference. Okay, so now I'm done with that part. Then I'll use the hard eraser to erase. So now we are going to move to the mouth side, this particular side. Use the smudge brush to blend again. I'm going to pick this color, then add to this side. Okay, so once you are done adding, then use your smudge brush to blend like this. Just make sure to follow the pattern. Then you can still use this color. Use this color right here. Then you add some little shadows above the lip like this. Okay. Then you draw it like this. Just do some shades like this. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Then blend the other side. Okay, so now we are going to move over to the nose part. I'm going to blend that side. So now I'm going to use this color right here to add some shadows to the nose, just to give it that thick part. Okay, then use your smudge brush to blend. So there you have it. So you can blend this side like this. Okay, so now guys, once you're done, I'm going to still use this color, add something here again, just add some little shadows like this. Okay, then blend, just blend like this. Okay, so now guys, once you're done, then on that same, okay, now once you are done, you can see this is the layer right here. Okay, you can see this is what we just did. So at this point, what we just do here is that we are going to create a new layer. Just create a new layer, just open a new layer like this, then just go back to your copy color, because you're going to use some copy color right here. So you can use E21 for start. Okay, just use your flow airbrush. You add like this. Okay, you just add the first one like this. Okay, then you just increase the size. Okay, you add like this. You don't need to add much. Okay, then you add another one here again to the next side, and we add some here again. Then add some here again. So as you're adding, if your own isn't looking good the way you want, you can use your smudge brush to blend. Just use your smudge brush to blend so that it will look good. So now we're still going to use the flow airbrush to add some highlights on the nose part like this. You just have to look at the reference. just add it here. You don't need to add it to this place, okay? You add it here like this. So use your smudge brush to blend. So now once you're done, we are going to switch to this color, that's A50. Then we'll add this, like you just add like this, okay? Then you add another one here again, okay? Then I'm going to use the smudge brush to blend this part like this. Then use the floor brush to add something here again like this. And start adding. You can add another highlight here. Then we'll add some again. I have to go back to this color, to 821, and add something like this. Then add something here again like this. Just switch back to A50, you add something like this. Then use your hard airbrush to add some details here. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Then use your hard airbrush to add some details here again. Then you can blend. Use your smudge brush to blend like this. So now at this point we're going to blend here again. So we are going to add some little highlights. Just use your E21. Use your E21, then switch back to hard airbrush to add it like that. Then add some colors above the lips. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Okay, so now guys, we are almost done. So you're going to add some colors. Use your flow airbrush. Use the color A21. Then you add it like this. Okay. Then you add another one here again. Okay. Then we are going to add to the chin side. So now once you are done, you just increase the size like this, increase the size, okay, then you just add. So now guys, once you are done with that part, then if you want, you can still add some little highlights. Just go back to E50, You see, add some little highlights here if you want. Then I'm going to use the smudge brush to blend. Okay, like this. Then I'll add another one here again. At the nose side. Then you start to blend. You see, add more highlights again like this. Then you can see add more highlights here again. Okay, then use your smudge brush to blend like this. At this point I'm going to add another one here again. Just switch back to A21, then add something here at the nose side. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Now guys, once I'm done with that part, then I'm going to show you how to color the lips. Okay, so on this layer you can go back to this right here, then just click the plus button to create a new layer. So once you click the new layer, then just click on it, then click blending, then go to color. Once you click color, then just go back to your copy color, then look for pink. Okay, just look for pink. I'm going to use arrow for the 3. Then use your add airbrush to add like this. Okay, so once you're done with it, you can go back to this layer right here, this layer. Okay, then switch colors. Just move to arrow 01, then add it like this. You can add the color like this. Then use your smudge brush. Set your smudge brush to 9% and start blending. Just take it like this. Like this. Then you can see drag here again. Just drag it like this. Drag it. Then you use your smudge brush to blend. Just like this. Okay, so now guys, just look at the reference. Then if you want, you can see add more color to it like this. If you want, you can see add more highlights to it. So now guys, this is where I'm going to stop. I'm going to do the part 3. Okay, just let me do some finishing on the neck. Still going to add some colors, because just going to add some colors like this, just to make sure that I'm getting it. So now guys, I'm going to stop here. Okay, I'm going to stop here. Get ready for the part 3.